Hello everyone, welcome back to new video once again. So this video I'm going to talk about terms of English and it will really help you to enhance your English. And I would like to say that please share it on your Facebook so that most of the people can be benefited anyway. So let's come to the point and keep watching my video and thank you for everything. So let's get started. Number one, আমি তোমাকে 2 দিনের মধ্যে জানাবো. Okay, I will let you know. I will let you know within within 2 days. I will let you know within 2 days. আমি তোমাকে 2 দিনের মধ্যে জানাবো। And number two, সে প্রায় কিনতে যাচ্ছিল. He was he was about to sorry buy. He was about to buy. সে প্রায় কিনতে যাচ্ছিল. Okay, and number three, আমার যেতে দেরি আছে. I am yet to go. আমার যেতে দেরি আছে. And the last one is আমার যেতে ইচ্ছে করছে. Okay, the sentences are different. You have to know that. আমার যেতে ইচ্ছে করছে. I am feel like going. আমার যেতে ইচ্ছে করছে. I am feel like going. So sorry, it will be I feel like going. So and if I talk about and if I make this sentence, it will be really help you. Okay, like that. We have to know. আমি তোমাকে 2 দিনের মধ্যে জানাবো যে আমি কি করব. I will let you know within 2 days that what will I do. And সে প্রায় কিনতে যাচ্ছিল. He was about to buy. সে প্রায় কিনতে যাচ্ছিল, আমি বারণ করলাম সে কিনেনি. He was about to buy it. I I have told you to don't buy it. Okay, and you have to practice like that. Okay, and আমার যেতে দেরি আছে, or we can say আমার যেতে দেরি আছে ঢাকায়. I am ready to go to Dhaka, or you can say any country or any place. Okay, and the last one is আমার যেতে ইচ্ছে করছে বাড়িতে. I feel like going to home, or you can say whatever in your mind. So like that you have to practice, and I am telling once again that please share it on your Facebook so that more people can benefit it anyway. Okay, and have a great day. See you some other time and keep watching my video and thank you. So bye.